Are you dealing with bedtime resistance and stalling? Is your child getting out of bed multiple times a night asking for just one more drink or just one more song? Introducing the Ready for Bed Kit, a beautiful and fully customizable reward chart and bedtime pass, both proven effective tools to reduce bedtime battles. Studies show that focusing on changing one behavior at a time is more effective than trying to change multiple behaviors. The LittleHippo Reward Chart provides an easy and straightforward visual to keep your child motivated. The reward chart's difficulty is highly customizable to your child's age and can be changed as they make progress. For very young children, we suggest starting with just 2 or 3 successes to earn the final reward. Does your child need a little push? You can place up to 2 reward magnets to give your child smaller prizes along the way to the ultimate reward. Every time your child completes the goal, such as staying in bed, they can put 1 star magnet towards their progress. The simple design makes it easy for your child to count down to their reward. The reward chart can be used for up to 2 children at the same time. Use it again and again to work on different behaviors, not just sleep training. The Ready for Bed Kit comes with a magnetic storage pouch to store all unused magnets and has a wide opening for little hands to help. The second tool, the Bedtime Pass, is a beautiful placard that can be used once a night in exchange for just one special request, like another song or hug. Once the Bedtime Pass is used, it must be taken away for the night and all other requests should be disregarded. The Bedtime Pass is highly effective because it gives children an element of control they so often crave. With the Ready for Bed Kit, you can be one step closer to eliminating your child's bedtime struggles once and for all. The Ready for Bed Kit, brought to you by Little Hippo. Parenthood just got easier.